Hi guys, it's Frankie Love. Today we are going to be doing a Honey Sugarman inspired look. So if you don't know Honey Sugarman, she is from BoJack Horseman, which is one of my favorite adult cartoons. When I say adult cartoons, it sounds like a porno. Anyways. Alright, so let's get started. But anyways, okay, so what I did is I curled my hair. I don't have any white blouses because most of my clothes are dark and basically for funerals. So I just went with the blue, hence the blue eyeshadow, the dark blue eyeshadow. So I'm gonna show you my whole outfit, minus the heels. I don't want to be clopping around at my second floor because this is wood and it makes a lot of noise. But anyways, that's all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is not a makeup tutorial. I'm just putting that out there. I just wanted to show you what I think would Honey Sugarman inspired look would look like for me. Anyways, I love you. Bye!